Smartphone makers are trying to design their cameras to be nearly foolproof, but these simple tips and tricks can help you take a better picture every time.
The phone in our pocket has replaced the point and shoot.
We can start treating these things like real content creation tools.
Juan Bagnell is senior editor at pocketnow.com and one of my favorite friends on Instagram. His pics are always perfect, probably because he wrote the book, Take Better Photos, available now on Amazon.
Just a little technique can really improve the content that we produce.
His first tip, tap the screen to zero in on your subject.
You can tell it specifically, this is what we want to take a look at.
Next, find the light. Take selfies facing the sun, and for darker food pics, move candles closer to illuminate your plate.
The more light we have, the better your photography will be.
Also, avoid vertical video. Turn your phone sideways before you hit record.
We don't mount our TVs vertically, we mount our TVs and computer monitors in landscape mode.
Try a tripod for more creative shots and a steady hand. Don't have one? Just hold your phone with two hands and brace yourself.
Bring your elbows in a little tighter to the body, and then when you move, if you move from the waist, all of this is going to stay a bit more stable. This is great for video shots too.
Finally, get down or up close. Try different angles when you shoot.
You can end up with a bolder result.
And before you snap, take a breath. Then upload and wait for the reactions.
Oh, it's the best feeling in the world when you start seeing those likes piling up, people start giving you those compliments.
One more tip, before you head out to capture pictures at an important event, be sure to check your phone storage and make sure you have enough. I've been at one too many events where you get that dreaded phone storage full message. All right, if you want to see all of these tips and a few bonus ones, go to the website. It is richontech.tv. I'm Rich DeMuro. That's your Tech Report.